A very good morning, student. Today we are starting with your course book. Okay, so this is your course book of Insight. So let's start with chapter 1. Okay, so the first chapter is the magical chair. Okay, student. So before starting giving the gist of this chapter, let me ask you a few questions. In the school, you all must be having a lot of friends around you. And you think all of these companions, those who are staying beside you, they all are your friends. But are they really your friends? Okay, this is the same situation situation which was faced by Rubina, the main character of this chapter. Okay, so Rubina was also facing the same problem. Although she was having a lot of friends, a lot of companions around her, but still, how many companions are her real friend? Just to know about it, let's start with the chapter. Okay, so here there was a girl, name is Rubina. She loves to make friends. Okay, and because she loves to make friends, so she was having a lot of friends around her, and she was proud about it. She feel like great to be loved by so many people, to be a friend of so many people. But one day her grandfather, okay, called Rubina and asked her, okay Rubina, I'm betting you with a bag of popcorn. Okay, I'm betting you with a bag of popcorn that you don't have that many friends as you think. Now Rubina, as she was very proud of for having so many friends, so she accepted the bet of grandfather. Okay, now Rubina, she was confused if how I may able to know that how many companions I'm having are my real friend. So to test how many real friends she is having, her grandfather gave her a chair. Okay, so what happened? Grandfather gave her a chair that could not be seen. Grandfather gave Rubina a chair that could not be seen. Okay, so she was confused that I'm not able to see, but grandfather told her that this chair is very special chair. Okay, this chair is very special chair designed by advanced technology. Okay, this is a very special chair which is designed by advanced technology and it is invisible. It could not be seen. ये दिखेगा नहीं. It is invisible. ऐसी चेयर जो कि invisible है, बहुत advanced technology से बनी हुई है. Okay. It rather tricky to sit on. But what is the problem? कि इस पे बैठना बहुत tricky है. क्यों tricky है? क्योंकि if you take it to school and manage to sit on it, you will activate its magic. And what else grandfather told her कि अगर तुम इस tricky chair पर बैठ पाओगी, तुम इसको स्कूल ले जाओ और अगर तुम इस पर बैठ पाओगे तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा, इसका मैजिक बाहर आएगा और इससे तुम्हें पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हारे रियल फ्रेंड्स कितने हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो व्हाट ग्रैंडफादर गेव Ravina, he gave her a invisible chair which was very tricky, and if she managed to sit on that chair, the magic will activate and she will come to know how many real friends she is having. Okay, Rubina, being a child, she was very curious, so she took that chair and went to the school. And when in the middle of okay, at the break time she asked all her friends to form a circle. Okay, so because she was very curious, so in the break time she asked all her friends to make a circle, and she herself stood in the middle of circle. See over here, she asked all her friends to make a circle and she stood in the middle of the circle and placed the chair next to her. और वो क्या करती, चेयर को अपने बगल में रखती है. She then announced everybody, nobody move. Okay, उसके बाद वो लोगों को अनाउंस करती कि कोई भी क्या नहीं करेगा, जाएगा यहाँ वहाँ नहीं जाएगा, मैं आपको कुछ मार्वलस बहुत ही अच्छी चीज दिखाने वाली हूँ. Okay, Rubina attempted to sit on the chair, and what she started to sit on the chair. Okay, so she started to sit on the chair and she fell down. Okay, she missed and fell on straightly onto the back. She missed because it was an invisible chair and it was a tricky one. So what happened? She missed and she fell on the back, और वो नीचे गिर जाती है. Everyone had a good laugh. When somebody fell in front of you, what you do? You start laughing. In the same way, people around her, they started laughing on her. Wait, just a slight technical problem. But she was so determined. She was so determined to test that chair, to activate that magic. She said, wait, it's a technical problem, I'll sort it out. And again she tried to sit on it. Okay, and when again she tried to sit on it, again she fell down. But she was not ready to accept her defeat. She kept on trying. She was not ready to accept her defeat. She kept on trying, and again and again she kept on falling down. Okay, she finally experienced this time, and at the last, when Rubina, she again tried to sit on the chair. This time she was balanced in midair. Okay, this time she was balanced. Why she was balanced? Let's see. She finally experienced the magic that her grandfather had been talking about. Now what she experienced? Okay, now I have managed the tricky chair, and the magic has been activated. So she was very happy. Now she started looking around. जब वो आसपास देखती है तो what she saw? She saw Geeta, Lavish and Divya, the three of her best friend. Okay, now the three of her best friend, they were holding her. That is why she didn't fall down. Okay, so she didn't fall down. Meanwhile, others who were only the companion of her, they kept on laughing and making fun of her. Okay, now Ravina, she come to know the truth behind the grandfather trick, and she told all her friends regarding to it. Okay, now she come to know that she has only 3 best friends. The names are Geeta, Lavish and Divya. Okay, because these people are there to help her out when she was in need, when other people were laughing on her. But still, these three friends, as they were her best friend, so they helped her. Okay, in the evening, the 4th child went to Rubina grandfather and to pay out the bet. Okay, what the bet was? That grandfather will give them a bag of popcorn. Okay, so they had a very good time by eating the popcorn and listening the stories from the grandfather. So this is how Rubina came to know about her best friends among her companion. So this was the chapter. Thank you, students.